Let me show you how to make a smooth slow motion in Premiere Pro. Start by adding a clip to my timeline that I'd like to add a smooth slow motion effect to. Make sure your clip is selected on the timeline, and then use the Control or keyboard shortcut to bring up the speed settings. In the pop-up, change the speed to your desired amount. I'll set mine to 50% for half speed. Now, if I were to leave it like this and hit OK, it'd slow down my video, but since I have 30 FPS footage, putting it down to half speed is going to make it super choppy. So to improve this, let's use Control or to open up the speed settings again, but this time change the time interpolation drop-down to optical flow, then hit OK. Alright, this is better, but it's still a little choppy since optical flow is a demanding effect. To fix this, make sure your clip is selected, then go up to Sequence and select Render Selection. It might take a bit to render, but once it does, my playback will be much smoother. Keep in mind that while this worked good for me, if I were to lower this even more to like 20%, I'd start noticing ghosting and artifacting since it can only do so much with 30 FPS footage. If I had 60 FPS footage, I could probably get away with going down to 20% though. But yeah, that's all for me. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.